All right, so here's how we're going to deal with definite integrals and u-substitution. First of all, you could do this normally. You could do all your u-substitution, plug u back in, then plug these numbers in. So that's something you already know how to do, so we're really not going to go over that. I'm going to show you how to deal with u-substitution and keeping everything in terms of u. So first of all, let's figure out what the answer to this problem is. From the calculator, you can just type it in. Second, calc 7. Lower limit is -2. Upper limit is 4. And the answer is, 41,472. Good one to start with. So now here's how you would do it using a u-substitution. So obviously on this one, it's pretty simple. We're going to let u be x cubed plus 8. So du equals 3x squared dx. Resubstituting, x cubed plus 8 is u, so that's u squared. The x squared dx is equal to du over 3. And that's what you're used to doing. Now, again, you could integrate this and then resubstitute the u back in and then plug your limits in. But we're going to do this a little differently. This is an option. This is a good option. This is how I usually would do it. These limits right here are in terms of x. One way you know that is you can just see all the x's. The other way is you see everything dx means with respect to x. So you can't just integrate this and use those limits here because everything is u. So the option we're going to learn today is to change these limits to u's. And you change them to u's just by using what you decided u is. U is x cubed plus 8. So this is your lower limit. This is your upper limit. So I'm going to now calculate let's move this out of the way for a second. My new lower limit. Remember that lower limit was -2. That's x. So now we're going to change it using this. U equals -2 cubed plus 8, which is a -8 plus 8, which is 0. So that's my new lower limit in terms of u. My new upper limit, it was 4. Now it's u equals 4 cubed plus 8. 4 cubed is 64. 64 plus 8 is 72. So this integral, it's all in terms of u. To keep everything in terms of u, our new lower limit in terms of u is 0. Our new upper limit in terms of u is 72. And now we can just integrate this and that will be the answer. We don't have to worry about x anymore. In other words, we don't have to plug this back in. As a matter of fact, we can completely ignore everything here because that's all x. And just deal with this simple integral. So we'll integrate this. The integral of u squared is u cubed times 1 over 3. Going from 0 to 72. So this is 1/9 times 72 to the third minus 0 to the third. So the answer is just 1/9 times 72 to the third. So that's 72 to the third divided by 9. And it's 41,472. So we did that all in terms of u. And you notice that we got that same number when we did it all in terms of x. So this is legit. And that's how you use u-substitution with definite integrals. We'll do one more example after this as a new video. And then I'm going to show you a different way of asking this stuff.